Good morning, everybody. We're getting ready to make something in the crock pot for dinner tonight. And it is called, well, Thomas calls it chicken corn doggy blue. Anyway, chicken cordon bleu. Here's the ingredients. We're going to use 4 chicken breasts. Just put them in there. Then we're going to, this is what goes in: ham, Swiss cheese, stovetop stuffing, cream chicken, what's that stuff called? Oregano, black pepper, and milk. That's all we're gonna use. Anyway, come on, let's go. I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but take this here stuff, ham, pretty good ham. I had to steal 2 pieces. Anyway, put 4 of these rascals in there. I ain't done this before. We're getting ready to try it though. Take that. Got it? Is it better with the holes in it or out of it? I don't know. Somebody said it tastes better with the holes. Why? How is that even feasible? Possible? I don't know. Anyway, put this cheese over this stuff. What's the, not that, not be dipped. All right. Put that on there. Let me take this stuff. I'm supposed to put all this in a bowl. Hang on. Okay, I got all the ingredients mixed in there. We got the can of soup, a 1/4 cup of milk, pepper, and oregano. Mix it together and just pour it in the hole. Pour it over this stuff. There we go. Cool. We got that. Now we need a box of stove top stuffing chicken. And just work it around in there so the whole thing's covered. Pour it on. Get on. Don't be shy. There we go. Make sure it's all covered on everything. Now we're good. Now all we gotta do is put the lid on and cook it. So all you gotta do is put it on for 4 to 5 hours on low, or 3 to 4 hours on high. I'm gonna cook this thing on low, cook it all day. Hopefully this thing's gonna be good. I don't know. I'll let you know when it's done. We'll see. I'll be back. Looking good. I just gave Vicky's hers. How'd it taste, dear? Right, let's try it.